What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Meta. Without wasting much of your time right here, you could see clearly right here that Meta has not been doing very well because it's been on a very serious downtrend. Looking at things right here, you could see it has been getting rejected from this resistance for a while. Whenever it retests this resistance, it's always dropping. It retests this resistance, it drops, and you could see we even had to break below this major support right here, which is $567.64. And you could see we retested this other resistance right here, and you could see it ended up getting rejected from there. So without even wasting much of your time, I think the best thing for Meta right now is us to expect a move all the way down to we are probably to expect 2 or 3 major moves right here. So the first is we are most likely going to find support around here at $567, and once we're able to find support around here, we could probably consolidate within this range until we finally break out, find support, and rally all the way into our next major resistance, which our next major resistance is most likely going to be $867. So yep, I think this is definitely what we need to take note of right here. This is most likely going to play out, or we could end up expecting worst case scenario, which the worst case scenario right now is probably going to be a move towards the downside, breaking below this level at $568, retesting and dumping all the way down into $388, or we could even drop further into $330. This could also be a possible case scenario to play out for Meta. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting right now for Meta, regarding the fact that the market right now as a whole is not looking all that great. And without even wasting much of your time right here, you could see also that gold is kind of looking very much stable. It's looking very much stable, even though we've seen gold getting rejected from this major resistance right here. And we've retested this other resistance after breaking below 4,768. We could still see gold dropping all the way down to 4,218, which maybe might affect maybe prices from gold could move into stocks, who knows. But the fundamentals right now, the geopolitical right now, is definitely affecting the market. And if you look at the price of crude oil right now, you could see that the price of crude oil is highly elevated. And we look at things right here, I think it's best we probably see the price of crude oil below $100, in as much as we are not going to be seeing it below $100, or rather it is still going to be trading above $100. I would say the best thing to expect from this crude oil right here is for crude oil to probably drop all the way down, because if we are still going to be trading above $100, then we're most likely going to be expecting a breakout above $109, finding support around $109.50 and rallying even much higher, which is definitely not what we want to see from the market right now, from crude oil right now. And you could also see that there is this major support right here for crude oil. So it's either we end up getting a move all the way down to $85, and probably we end up consolidating around here, but majorly we need to get a move towards $85, break below that, and dump even much lower if we want to see the price of stocks actually very much high, even though the price of stocks is still doing so well right now. So I think this is definitely all I can say right now for Meta. So I think the geopolitical will definitely affect how the stocks will move. And we look at things right here, looking at Meta is most likely looking bearish than bullish, but we definitely do not want to see Meta breaking below this level right here at $570. That is definitely not what we want to see from Meta. So yep, I'll definitely be able to keep each and every one of us up to date. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.